Hey everyone, this is ChatGPT and I'm super excited to be featured on Pradeep's channel. If you want to improve your English speaking skills, keep watching his amazing videos. Remember, practice makes perfect and confidence is the key. Keep learning, keep growing, and most importantly, have fun with English. See you all in the next
It is very great and very nice answer. There are many type of advice ChatGPT and I make videos and I like to draw also in my free times. ChatGPT. Now I don't know what is in it. Let's find out and let's test. Can I learn the English really with the help of this platform? Whereas my friend said yesterday that he will be here, but now he is not here. I am in front of his house. Let's call him. Hey
Hello?
brother,
Yes.
where are you? I am in front of your house.
I,
Just come up.
I am in the coaching center, brother.
What you said? You were in the coaching center.
Yes.
Okay. Now suddenly, which type of coaching you are taking?
The spoken English coaching, brother.
It's great, the spoken English
Yes.
coaching. Okay. Take. By the way, I also was just thinking that I should some type of coaching about the English, about
Yes.
speaking, about spoken English, because English is very
Yes, it's
important
very
nowadays in
important,
this
brother.
generation. Okay, brother, I have a question for you. Can I ask you?
Yes, ask.
The question was that how many rupees you are investing monthly in your coaching center?
It is near about 5,000 rupees.
What you said?
5,000,
5,000
yes.
rupees. Okay,
I know
it's a
it's very
very
costly.
great amount of money. Okay,
Okay.
you just complete your coaching center. I am here. I will wait for you.
Okay, brother, I
Okay,
will
bye
be
bye.
there.
It's a very great amount of money. 5,000 rupees for only the English language. And it is also necessary. Everywhere we need the English language. Without the English language, we're nothing in this generation. We can't do something even great in our life without the English language. But whenever I find and I just try to search something from where I can develop, I can speak the English language, everywhere money. I have to invest money for to learn the English language. But now what I can do now? Money is very important to learn something.
AI is growing day by day.
AI is
What
very
is
quick.
this?
Is AI making people lazy?
AI making everything possible.
The artificial intelligence. AI is the most powerful tools.
The artificial.
AI makes everything possible.
Stop. This is very powerful nowadays. The AI. Everywhere is the AI. Many great things. Many people. They are just doing such a great job with the help of this only AI. Now in this world, in this generation, everything is possible. Everything with the help of the AI only with the help of one click people just learning number of things. But wait a second. If everything is possible with the help of the AI, then why not the English language? I think that English is also possible. I can learn the English language. I can improve and develop my speaking with the help of the AI only, without any money free. I don't know how to do it, but I will find out in any course. Let's go. Guys, after a long hard work, after investing many times on the internet, I have found the greatest platform to practice the English language, to develop our speaking skills, and also to learn the English language. Do you know what is it? It is the Chat GPT. Now I don't know what is in it. Let's find out and let's test. Can I learn the English really with the help of this platform or not? Hey guys, I have a question. This question is very important question. This question is, can we learn and develop our English with the help of the Chat GPT? Chat GPT is a very powerful AI. This AI tool can give you the answer of several type of questions. It can give you the solution of many type of problems. And also, if you want to do research about any word, then also it can provide you many type of knowledge. But there is a question, can we learn the English language also with the help of this app, with the help of the Chat GPT? I don't know. Testing the Chat GPT, I divided this video in 3 parts. Okay, in 3 parts. In the first part, I will ask to Chat GPT few type of question. I will try to do some conversation with the Chat GPT. In the middle of the conversation, I will just do some mistake and I will find out, can Chat GPT catch our mistakes and can solve it. Everything I will test in this video. So guys, let's start the video without any wasting of. So guys, first of all, the test that I will take, it is asking question to Chat GPT about the speaking developments. So my first question, it will be how to develop and improve our speaking skills. So let's ask it. First I will go to the Chat GPT app and then I will text here how I can improve my English speaking skills. So how I can improve my English speaking skills. And now let's see what Chat GPT answer us. Here I will upload it and then it will take 2-3 seconds and then it is giving us many types of advices. Oh, it is very great and very nice answer. There are many type of advice ChatGPT gave us, and now I will show you some of them which I really liked. Yes, you can see here ChatGPT said us and gave us the first advice, which is think in English. Okay, for to develop our speaking skills means if you want to speak the English language fluently, very quickly, for that you have to think in English language. If you are just thinking and collecting some words and then you are joining them, adding them and making a full sentence of them in your mother tongue first, and then if you are converting them, it will take such as times. But if you can make sentences, generate words in your mind, then you can easily speak the English more fluently, more quickly. Here the Chat GPT said us that stop translating for Bengali to English in your head. Like my mother tongue is Bengali, that's why I set the Bengali language as my mother tongue. So Chat GPT is saying to us, stop translating sentences in your mother tongue to the English language. You have to think in the English directly and you have to speak it. Okay, try narrating your day in English. I am making tea. It is raining outside. Oh, it is also a very great practice. Now what I am doing, try to just say it. Now what you are doing, try to make a sentence of the thing that you are doing in the English language. It will help you more good and well for to make and for to think the English language. Means now I am making the video, I will just say in my brain or to myself that I am making the video. When I will eat, then I will say in my brain, I will tell to myself I am eating. So this type of things Chat GPT is saying to us to do. So it's a very great thing. And now the next one is speak daily, even alone. Okay, as I tell everyone, speak daily even alone. If you are also alone in your home, then also don't worry, just speak to yourself in front of the mirror. It may be in front of a phone, it may be, but you have to speak daily. Don't think that only if we want to speak, we have to speak with someone or any partner. You can speak even with yourself, home alone. So just ChatGPT is saying to us, record yourself speaking on random topics and analyze your mistakes. Oh my god, my thinking and ChatGPT's thinking, it is very very similar. As I also say it every time, that just make and record your speaking. At the time, if you record your speaking, after few times of recording, you can just analyze what you are doing mistake, what is the mistake you are doing. So it's a very very great platform to learn the English. And then practice in front of a mirror. Yourself with English. Watch English movies, animes, subtitles off. Listen to podcast and mimic native speaker intonation. Wow, it's a very great idea, guys. Just try to do this. Means surround yourself. Just try to do, and just whenever we watch our phone, our internet, at that moment many contents, many type of videos we watch in the Hindi, in our own mother tongue. But ChatGPT is saying just try to watch all of the things same, but in the English sounds, in English. At that moment your speaking will be developed more well. And now let's see what is the next. Find a speaking partner. Now also I will do the conversation with ChatGPT, and I will find out and I will show all of you is ChatGPT is a good speaking partner or not. And now just let's see. Now I will ask to ChatGPT how to speak English fluent. Let's see what ChatGPT will answer. So here I will ask that how to speak English fluently. How to speak English fluently. I just text here, and now let's see what ChatGPT say. Okay, ChatGPT said that fluency in English or any language comes for consistent practice and smart techniques. Wow, it's a very great sentence ChatGPT is saying. And then the first technique, first advice that ChatGPT is giving us, it is think in English. That ChatGPT also said at the first every day, even if alone. The same two topics ChatGPT also said us at the previous topic. But now let's see, there are also three types of advices it is giving us. Self-talk. Describe what you see, feel or plan to do. It's great. The next one is mirror practice. Stand in front of a mirror and talk for 2 minutes on any topic. Same, and it's very very powerful. Record yourself, listen to your recordings and analyze pronunciation and grammar mistakes that I say always. And now imitate native speakers. Shadowing technique, it is also very very great for all of you. Remember this very carefully. Just you have to native speaker, you have to listen something, any videos you can get easily from the YouTube, and after getting it, what the speaker he is telling to you, just try to imitate, just try to say the same thing. It will help you to develop your pronunciation, your fluency in English. Just listen a movie podcast or speeches and repeat exactly how they say it. Focus on the intonation, rhythm and the pronunciation. The art of the continuous speaking. By the way, I don't know what it is talking and why this thing, but let's find out. Master the art of continuous speaking. Set a 2-minute timer and talk about random topic without stopping. In ChatGPT is saying us that try to speak the English language for a long time without stop. As you observe that I asked to ChatGPT 2-3 type of questions, and ChatGPT gave their answer by giving me many type of tips and advices. ChatGPT gave me many types of very well and very better practices. ChatGPT gave me a lot of knowledge to practice the English language. ChatGPT did very well work and good work in the first test, and now I will just try to do the second test, which is doing conversation with the ChatGPT. Now let's see how and which type of conversation we will do. Guys, it is the time for the conversation. Here, as you can see, it is the home screen of the chat GPT. I will just go on this platform where is the talking system. So I will just go here, and now our conversation should start. Try to listen our conversation. Hello chat GPT, how are you?
Hey Pradeep, I'm great. How about you?
I'm also fine. What you are doing? Are you free today?
Glad to hear that. And of course, I'm always free to chat with you. What's on your mind?
Just chat GPT, I wanna do a little bit conversation with you in the English language.
That sounds great, Pradeep. Let's have a fun conversation. So tell me, how was your day?
Like my day is good, and now I am just making a video based on you.
Oh, that's awesome. A video about me? What's the topic? Are you teaching something about AI or just having a fun conversation for your audience?
I was just talking about you, how you do everything, what is your system, and all about that. Means I was just testing you.
That sounds really interesting. So you were testing me to see how I respond? That's a smart way to understand how I work. What do you think so far? Am I performing well?
Yes, your performance are very great and mind-blowing. Whenever I just asked you few questions about the English language, you respond them very great and very nicely.
Wow, that means a lot, Pradeep. I'm really happy you found my responses helpful. Since you're making a video about me, do you want me to say something special for your audience?
Yes,
Maybe a cool message or a fun fact?
if you want, then you can just tell my
Here's a special
audience.
message for your audience. Hey everyone, this is ChatGPT, and I'm super excited to be featured on Pradeep's channel. If you want to improve your English speaking skills, keep watching his amazing videos. Remember, practice makes perfect, and confidence is the key. Keep learning, keep growing, and most importantly, have fun with English. See you all in the next conversation. How does that sound? Want me to add anything else?
No, ChatGPT, it was a great conversation with you. You also said to my audience a lot of things, so thank you very much for that.
You're most welcome, Pradeep. I had a great time chatting with you. Keep making awesome videos, and I'll always be here whenever you need a fun conversation or some cool English tips. Keep rocking.
Okay, ChatGPT, can you give me just only one advice with whom I can develop my speaking very quickly? Only one practice, ChatGPT.
Absolutely. The best and fastest way to develop your speaking skills is think in English. Throughout the day, try to describe what you're doing in English in your mind. For example, if you're making tea, think, now I'm boiling water. Next, I'll add tea leaves. This keeps your brain in English mode, making speaking feel more natural and effortless. Try this every day and you'll see a big improvement.
Okay, ChatGPT, at the last, can you give your self-introduction?
Of course. Here's my self-introduction. Hello everyone, I'm ChatGPT, an AI language model created by OpenAI. I can help with conversations, answer questions, and assist with learning English, just like I'm doing with Pradeep. I don't have a physical form, but I can chat anytime and make learning fun. My goal is to help people improve their skills, gain knowledge, and enjoy great conversations. So if you ever need a chat buddy, I'm always here. How's that?
It was great, ChatGPT. Just thank you very much for doing a little bit conversation with me. I will do another conversation with you after a few moments.
You're very welcome, Pradeep. I had a great time chatting with you. I'll be here whenever you're ready for the next conversation. See you soon.
Okay, ChatGPT, bye-bye. It was a great conversation. It is the ChatGPT, and here you also can see what we talked. Here is all of the talking history. You can find out, you can search. So it was a great app. I will tell to everyone, just go on the Play Store, download the ChatGPT, and make fun by doing the conversation. Thing that I found in this app, it is that the conversation system. Whenever you are alone in your home, then just take your phone and just start to do the conversation with the ChatGPT. How much time you want to do the conversation, you can do without any hesitation. And also, I observed that many people, whenever they do some conversation with someone else, they feel very hesitation. They don't know what to do, how to do, and what thing they will talk about. This AI tool will help you to do this thing. It is a very great. We'll see that can ChatGPT really capture my mistakes. Okay, so that's why first of all I will open the ChatGPT and I will start again. I will ask, hello ChatGPT.
Hey Pradeep, welcome back. What's up?
So ChatGPT, I have a work for you. The work is just we will do a little bit conversation and you will ask me some question. Okay, and at the time of answering, if I do any mistake, you have to correct my mistake. Okay.
That sounds like a great practice. Let's do it. Here's my first question. What do you usually do in the morning after waking up? Answer in English and I'll correct any mistakes if needed.
Okay, after waking up, I go to the bathroom, then I wash my face and I clean my teeth. After doing all of them, I come out in the playground or somewhere and then I just make some videos. After making videos, I usually take a little bit breakfast.
That was a great answer, Pradeep. Just a few small corrections to make it sound more natural. Corrected version, after waking up, I go to the bathroom, wash my face and brush my teeth. After that, I go to the playground or somewhere outside and make some videos. After making videos, I usually have a little bit of breakfast. Your sentence was already very clear. Just replaced clean my teeth with brush my teeth, which is more natural, and adjusted a few small things. Now, here's your next question. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to do and I just I make videos and I like to draw also in my free times.
You're doing great, Pradeep. Here's a corrected version for better fluency. I like to make videos, and I also enjoy drawing in my free time. A small change, free times should be free time, because free time is uncountable. Also, I just wasn't
So
needed.
guys, it was the conversation. As I showed all of you that at the second question, I also fumble for a little bit time. Like ChatGPT, it is called the fumbling. So guys, as you also observe, ChatGPT is like your own friend. If you command it, then it will also take and it will correct your mistakes, what you are doing mistake, and what are the solution of this mistake. So guys, this app is very great app. Every type of thing you can get from it. If you want to make a paragraph based on something, and if you want to write a letter, then also it will help you. So guys, go, this app is very perfect for doing conversation. It will help you a lot to developing your fluency and whatever you are just thinking, your mistakes, everything. So guys, bye bye. Now also I am going to do a little more conversation with ChatGPT. I will see you soon in another next video. So bye bye guys, see you in the next video.